Okay guys, so you guys have an issue with your iPhone, basically where the volume, you cannot hear the volume. Or maybe there is no like volume bar. So if you're watching a video or watching a YouTube video, or if you're listening to music, there's no volume bar, there's no nothing. So what is the problem? Well, several things could happen to your phone, guys. You could have dropped your phone. Your phone could have got wet. You could have got sand in there. There could be dust and lint inside of your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do a possible solution that's going to help more than 50% of you guys. Sorry about that. Right away. Okay, so basically what is happening is your phone is thinking that it is docked somewhere. Okay, so the issue is basically it's your connector here. So what we're going to do is this first. We're going to see if there's any kind of lint in there. So get yourself like a pin, or in my case, I'm going to go ahead and use one of these key pins that you take the you pop the SIM card out with. Now the only thing is, I advise, I'm not responsible for anything that's damaged in your phone. This is metal piece. If you get to something that's not metal, that's more plastic, it would be better off. But what you want to do basically is this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use a pin first. So you just want to go and just kind of like just see if you can grab any kind of lint or anything out of there, guys. And if you have to, if you can, blow on it too. Like for instance, this phone here, I actually grabbed like a big piece of lint out of here. So go ahead and try this. You know, just the simple pin, and then go ahead and put your video back on, your music, and see if you get that volume bar and you get volume on your phone. If you don't, then go ahead and get a credit card and kind of like go in there and try to get on the bottom too. Not only go on the top, guys, but not only on the top, but try to go on the bottom as well. But try not to break anything, and maybe kind of like give it like a little up and down, kind of play with it a little bit, because like I said, your phone thinks that it's docked, so you want it to think that it's not docked anymore. So just go ahead and kind of play around with that a little bit too, and continue to try to see if your volume is working. Now if nothing is still working, then I don't want to advise to use something like metal, but you can get yourself like a butter knife and pretty much to do the same thing, guys. Kind of like get all in there, and then you kind of want to play with that connector, that dock connector, a little bit, guys, just a little bit, and then keep seeing the you know, put your video back on, your music, and see if it's the volume is back up. And keep on doing this, guys. You know, it's going to help over 50% of you guys. Now the thing is, if you know, if it does work for you, and then like 5 minutes later the volume is not working again, I mean, pretty much you guys probably going to need a dock connector. You can go on eBay, stuff like that. You can buy it for like, it's like $6. It comes with the whole entire dock kit, and it comes with tools and stuff like that. So anyways, if you guys still have issues with your volume and need assistance, just comment below and I'll see what I can do to help you guys. All right, thanks, bye.